Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna cucumber sandwich. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, thoroughly drained, along with 2 slices of your preferred bread. Don't forget 1 small cucumber, thinly sliced, and about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delicious and refreshing meal. Now, let's create the heart of our sandwich. In a small bowl, combine your well-drained tuna with the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Stir these together until they are perfectly blended and achieve a creamy, consistent texture. A small pinch of salt and pepper will enhance the flavors beautifully. This simple mix is key to a delightful sandwich experience. With your tuna mixture ready, it's time to assemble. Take 1 slice of bread and spread the tuna salad evenly across its surface, reaching almost to the edges. Next, carefully arrange your thinly sliced cucumber pieces over the tuna. Finally, place the 2nd slice of bread on top, pressing down gently to ensure all the delicious layers are secure. Your tuna cucumber sandwich is now complete. For easier handling, you might want to cut it in half, either diagonally or straight across. This sandwich is best enjoyed immediately to savor its fresh flavors and crisp texture. If you like, a single leaf of crisp lettuce can add an extra layer of crunch. Enjoy every bite of your perfectly balanced and refreshing creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.